Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into my video. My name is Vivi School, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this delicious Cameroonian Egusi pudding. This dish is very yummy and very easy to make. It's usually eaten at occasions, and you can also make it and eat it at home. Let's get started into it. So guys, these are the main ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. This is a egusi that has already been ground. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like when it has not been ground. Now this is how the egusi look like when it has not been ground. It just come like this in a simple seed. Now for the ingredients, we are going to be needing some smoked fish, salt, seasoning, grounded crayfish, red beef. We are also going to be needed 3 large eggs at a room temperature, red pepper, few sticks of cloves, white pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, bush pepper, and leeks. To begin with the process, make sure you pour the ground egusi into a bowl, and make sure you use an open bowl so that the mixture process is going to be very easy for you. Next, you are going to take the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients and mix them together with your beef stock. I'm adding into the stock so that the ingredients should be uniformly distributed. I do not want to add directly into the egusi mixture. Then you are going to pour the mixture into egusi pudding and stir it all until it gets its good texture. So guys, make sure that when using the meat stock, it should be warm, not cold. And here is our egg. After adding your egg, make sure that you stir it very well. Let it have a unique texture. And now next, we add your crayfish. Remember that all the ingredients used for the recipe will be listed at the description box below. Next, you add your red beef. You keep stirring. At this process, we are going to use freah paper because I was not able to lay my hands on plantain leaves. Those living at diaspora, it is okay for you to use freah paper for your egusi pudding, but those living in Africa, it is okay for you to use plantain leaf. Plantain leaf is even the best. It's because it's very difficult for us to lay our hands here on plantain leaf, so we have to use freah paper. When using freah paper, make sure that you use egg yolk or any vegetable oil of your choice to oil your freah paper. And also make sure to stock the freah paper properly so that it doesn't open, so that water cannot go in. Always make sure you try this method. Make sure you place something under your pot before putting your bundles so that when it's boiling, water cannot soak inside. When pouring water into your egusi, please don't put too much water. Put bit by bit. When you try it, after our egusi pudding is ready. The egusi pudding is ready, guys. So you can see I remove it and I put it in a trainer. So guys, here is a customer order. You can hurry up and place your order in any African delicacy of your choice. We also deal with African food stuff, uncooked stuff, cooked stuff, and anything of your choice. Please, that concern African food, just hurry up to Vivi School Kitchen. Thank you and much love. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit on that bell on your right hand side. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Most especially, don't forget to share to your family and loved ones. Much love from Vivi School Kitchen. See you.